Summer fruit salsa recipe. Here's Taryn and Paulin with all of that.
All right, thanks, Brad. Yes, you are making a fruit salsa with some baked cinnamon sugar chips. And you said this is something that your grandkids would put in their lunch pails?
Yeah, this is something that you can just throw in your lunchbox, and it'd be something a little different for when you go back to school. You want something a little different every day. And today with the recipe we did it, I've got strawberries, apples, peaches, mango, and blackberries. But this is something you could definitely do with any kind of fruit that you wanted to do. I'll just let you go ahead and dump it in here.
And then could you use fresh or refrigerated or frozen?
I would think you could use frozen fruits in here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, don't get all the juice.
Soupy stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
I made sure I put in lemon water this morning so it wouldn't get quite so...
right, it doesn't get brown?
Yeah. Otherwise you might get a little too lemony there for you.
Okay.
But you know, a salsa is supposed to be a little tart anyway, right?
Right, yep. Okay.
And mango. It's pretty.
Yeah. Do you use a lot of mango?
I honestly have never used mango before this recipe. My granddaughter likes mango, though. She told me how to cut it and use it, so I thought...
How old is she?
She's 13.
That's impressive.
And hey, she's got one of her items going to... Her pumpkin bars are going to the state fair. They were selected to go to state fair.
Wow, future chef there, Paula.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay.
She just doesn't like the cleanup.
Who does, right?
So we added strawberry preserves and just a little bit of honey just to add it, give it an extra flavor.
Yeah.
And there you go. You mix it up and just put it on your plate and you're ready to go. And like I said, you can use any kind of fruit that you like. I've seen some with kiwi in it. I just never cooked with kiwi, so I
didn't want to try it and see.
No. So, but yeah, it's pretty, it's bright, it'll keep you, you know.
Okay, here we go. Just put some on your plate.
And the cinnamon chips are just tortilla chips with sprayed with just the butter Pam type stuff.
Yeah.
And sprinkled with cinnamon sugar, and you bake them for 10 minutes.
Oh, that's it?
Super, super easy.
Okay, and we've got this recipe already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page.
Oh, all right.
If people want to copy it, I'm going to give it a try here. It is good. Something easy to pack in their lunch, right?
It's really easy. I mean, the chips, as long as you just put them in a Ziploc baggie, they stay crispy. They're a little crispier than, because the fruit's so soggy, or that you need something that'll hold up to it.
Sounds good. All right, like we said, this recipe is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, and I did save some for Brad. There's plenty here. Okay, back to you.